Experiencing unresponsive double taps on your AirPods Pro 3? You're not alone. Released in September 2024, these earbuds use capacitive touch sensors to detect your taps. Common issues include incorrect sensitivity settings, firmware bugs, or even physical obstructions. This segment focuses on immediate steps to diagnose and resolve these problems. First, ensure your AirPods Pro 3 are clean. Dirt on the sensors can block signals. Next, check the fit. A loose fit reduces contact, making taps harder to register. Also, make sure your fingers are dry and free of gloves. After that, navigate to Settings, Accessibility, AirPods, Touch Controls to verify that double tap is correctly assigned to your desired action like play pause. If issues persist, a simple restart of your AirPods Pro 3 or a device reboot can often clear temporary glitches. If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve the problem, delve into advanced settings. iOS 19 introduced gesture mapping, which allows you to customize actions assigned to the double tap. Try assigning a different function to see if the issue is specific to one command. Next, adjust the sensitivity levels in the same settings menu. A higher sensitivity detects lighter taps but might cause false triggers. A lower setting requires firmer presses but can miss inputs. Start with medium and calibrate gradually. According to iFixit, cleaning the sensor area with isopropyl alcohol can resolve up to 40% of cases. If all else fails, consider updating to the latest firmware version, as Apple frequently releases updates that address gesture-related bugs. If problems continue, contact Apple support, especially if your AirPods Pro 3 are still under warranty, as a hardware issue might be the root cause.